Hey there, Bill Herman with the Disc Jockey News. I'm one of the writers, and of course the entertainment experience at BillCreates.com. And today I wanted to tell you a little bit about why I believe training and really polishing your entertainment instrument is really important. The reason I know it to be important is because of something a teacher of mine told me years ago, one of my first acting teachers, who was trying to describe to me the people who want to do this for a living and the people who have to do this for a living. The difference being one is an artist and one is kind of they just want to play. What are you, he said. Do you have to do this? Do you want to do this? Well, it came to me that I have to do this. I have to be an entertainer for a living. Well, he said, if you're going to do that, you need to always be training. What does he mean by that? Specifically, he said, and this has stuck with me since I was a boy, if you're going to train, if you're going to do this for real, if you're not performing, you should be taking a class. If you're not taking a class, you need to be performing. In other words, your instrument is only as sharp as how often you use it. And to use it correctly, you need to be on stage, the pressure of an audience, or in front of a teacher, the pressure of a class. You need to take these classes, and whether or not it's an acting class in your neck of the woods, or whether it be a movement or a dance class or a comedy class or an improv class, or better yet, a class created by an entertainer that you like, maybe like the entertainment experience at BillCreates.com. Be a part of these things, okay? One of the best things that people get out of what we teach is that you really do need to learn more. So come and be a part of the entertainment experience, but also find some place where you're always sharpening your skills. Do it all the time, and trust me, as you do it, you will just inherently get better and better and better. I'm Bill Herman with the Disc Jockey News and BillCreates.com.